Chapter 8. Repair and Maintenance. Your car's smooth functioning doesn't simply occur out of the blue. It requires regular checkups, maintenance, and sometimes repairs. In the same vein, the optimal functioning of a law firm is contingent upon persistent inspection, maintenance, and corrections as needed. From staying up to date with the latest legal updates to smart budgeting and investments, all play an essential role in the overall health and productivity of your law practice. This chapter aims to highlight the importance of diligent check and balance in your law firm. Understanding the importance of maintenance in a law firm. Just as you take your car for regular tune-ups to keep it running smoothly, your law firm also requires periodic checks to ensure it functions at its highest potential. Whether it's keeping tabs on the latest amendments in the law, technological upgrades, or routine financial auditing, each aspect plays a vital role in ensuring the firm's successful operation. Staying current with legal updates. For a lawyer, keeping up to date with the latest developments and changes in law is of paramount importance. Many jurisdictions demand lawyers complete their continuing legal education, CLE credits, to maintain their licenses for practicing law. Staying abreast of the latest legal precedents, amendments, and rulings can provide a competitive edge, enabling more effective client representation. Technological upgrades. In the contemporary age, technology is interwoven into every aspect of our lives, including the legal profession. From legal research tools to practice management software, the effective use of technology can significantly enhance a law firm's productivity and client service. Regularly updating these tools and training your team to utilize them optimally is crucial for the firm's growth and success. Practice management. Efficient practice management is crucial to a law firm's smooth operation. This includes regular performance reviews, feedback sessions, and internal audits. Periodic assessment of the team's performance helps in identifying the areas that require improvement and can lead to better resource allocation. Balancing finances and smart investments. When starting a law firm, it might be tempting to minimize expenditure wherever possible. However, some costs represent important investments in the firm's future. These include, but are not limited to, quality legal research tools, professional development opportunities for your team, and robust cybersecurity measures. Smart budgeting does not necessarily mean cutting corners, but instead making judicious decisions about where to invest the firm's resources for long-term benefits. Here are some areas that require particular attention. Legal research tools. Comprehensive legal databases are critical tools for lawyers, assisting in research, case preparation, and staying updated with the latest case law and legislation. Investing in high-quality research tools can lead to more effective representation and successful outcomes for clients. Team development. Continuous learning is a crucial aspect of legal practice. Regular training sessions, seminars, and workshops can help your team stay current with legal updates and technological advancements and enhance their professional skills. These investments can lead to improved productivity and a more competitive law firm. Cybersecurity measures. In the digital age, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Law firms deal with sensitive client information daily, and a security breach could be disastrous. Investing in robust cybersecurity measures such as secure servers, encrypted communication, and regular security audits is a non-negotiable aspect of law firm management. Conclusion. In the face of volatility and change, routine checks and balances in your law firm serve the same purpose as regular maintenance for your car, ensuring smooth, trouble-free operation. From staying updated with the latest in law and technology to making smart, long-term investments, each aspect contributes to a more productive and competitive law firm. By treating your law firm like a well-oiled machine, you can navigate the ups and downs of the legal landscape.